Actually, puppet fans, today we're going to be making paper mouth puppets, and yours could be a princess if that's what you really want, but it could also be just about anything you can imagine. You could make a dog. You could make a monster. You can make anything you want, as long as it's not copyrighted. Oops. Anyway, let's get started. Here's what you're gonna need. The main thing you need is paper. Now, my favorite kind of paper for this project is construction paper because it comes in so many great colors. But you can make this puppet out of a piece of copy paper or notebook paper, probably not toilet paper. I think you wanna hang on to that for now. Once again, you'll need something sticky like tape or glue. I think that glue sticks might be the easiest thing for this project, but anything you have will work. A pair of scissors to cut your paper, and finally, anything that you want to use to decorate your puppet. You can use markers like these, or anything lightweight that you can glue to your puppet, but my favorite thing to use is more paper to cut out all the shapes that your puppet needs. Let's get started. Start with one sheet of paper and hold it in front of you the long way. First, we're gonna fold it in half like we're closing a book or a birthday card. And we're gonna press it down there to get a nice crease. Now we open it up and we're gonna fold the sides into that crease in the middle. First one side, then the other. Now, we open it up again and turn our whole piece of paper so that it's the tall way in front of us. Now we're gonna do those folds again. We're gonna fold in half the tall way, open it up, then fold those sides in to our new crease. Open it up, and we're ready to do some cutting. Now, you see all those lines that are folded into our paper? We're gonna go to the long side and we're gonna cut in along that fold until we get to the fold going the other way. We're gonna do that 3 times on each long side for our 3 folds. 1, 2, 3. When you're done cutting, your paper should look like this. Now, I'm gonna take one of my corner flaps and put glue all over it, making sure I get all the way to the corner and the edges. And I'm gonna fold it over on top of the flap right next to it, just like this. You'll know you've attached it right when you see a clean box corner, just like this. Glue up all 4 corners, and your piece should look a little bit like a basket. Fold it over in the middle here, and we've got a puppet. We're gonna cut some long, thin strips to attach to the back of the puppet to hold your hand in place. Fold and trim the pieces so they fit just along the inside of the puppet and attach them in place. If you use glue, wait until it's completely dried before you use the puppet. And we're ready to give our puppet a face. Like I said before, I like to use cut paper to add these details. I've cut out a few pieces here. I'm gonna add some glue, attach to the puppet, and there we go, ready to perform. Well, that's all the time we've got for today. I wanna thank everyone for being such a great audience, especially my very first Patreon supporters. I wanna thank Alyssa Honeycutt and Luna, and Joshua Zeldner from Z Specialty Food. If you'd like to help support Paper Heart projects, check the description and find out ways that you can become a supporter on Patreon or give a one-time donation. As always, if you make a puppet that you see here, please share it with us and we might feature your work in our next video. See you next week.